there for Ortiz. Yeah, oo nga, no? Ang daming fakes ni Micah. Hindi siya
Oh! When you're tired, sometimes you compensate for that.
That's right.
By doing more. As Abita now comes in for Baniel. Grabe rin ang palitan ng tao dito ng dalawang coach.
Kailangan pag sa ganitong laro.
Oh, you're right, you're right. Lalo na nagduduluhan na tayo dito. Again, FEU only has to win this set to win the match. For those who just tuned in. Ortiz again. C. Rojas. They go to the youngster, Bagang, who's checked. Oh, the ball is still up. Great reactionary dig, but wasted on a double contact, I believe.
That's right, by Vargas. Well, she got bumped from behind, so that was an easy call to make. But the defense of FEU really so hard to penetrate.
19-17. Micah Ortiz serving.
Ortiz serving now. Rojas. One-hand reception by Ortiz out of reflex. Unable to keep it up.
Rojas getting that point again. Back quick this time with the left. Ayun, going against her movement or her direction.
Product of Holy Angels University from Pampanga. Michelle Bagang also playing solid here for Coach Ness. Tumilalim sa bola si Ingrid.
That's right.
Guess what? The fans acknowledge the fact that here we go again. We are at 19-all. On a Sunday afternoon at the arena in San Juan, live over Studio 23. Replays on Ball's Sky Cable Channel 34. Reyes this time. Mataas masyado. Ayan. Vargas. Oh, taken by Banaticla. Free ball, a chance. Ball for FEU. Then they go back to Vargas. And she looks at Di Maculangan. Says, guess what? We are in the lead now. 20-19. Timeout UST.
20. FEU.
Huwag ka matakot, like. Kung mabablock ka, may coverage, huwag yung papalay ng outside. Okay? Rhea, gamitin mo si... Pag nasa kabila ang bola, atake sila. Ang taas ng porsyento na ibigay doon sa 5. Ba't hindi ka pa rin nag-a-adjust? Kayong dalawa. Pag nagdepensahan nila, 5. Anong number 5?
You know, the way these two teams are battling, you think it's for all the marbles.
I know.
It's like an elimination game.
Championship na talaga to.
Or an elimination game na pag natalo ka, tanggal ka na. And that's why these girls deserve all the credit. And the fans are really acknowledging that on TV. You know, we see volleyball trending on Twitter as we're tied again here at 20 in recent games. And they appreciate the effort that these girls are putting into, these students who have no classes tomorrow, so they're probably giving it their all now. Joust won by Giselle C. Nagtaka pa nga siya, Ian.
I know, Hirotsui looking at Giselle. Parang nagtaka, paano mo ginawa yun?
Actually, nagtaka sa sarili niya. She looks at the bench in amazement. Let's look at that joust.
O yun, tumapo na lang yung kamay ni Hirotsui and Giselle C. just overpowering the taller Hirotsuji.
And they are in front again, 21-20. Sent back by Baniel. Banaticla. Gallego was there. Vargas. Oh, disguising that. Oh! Uh-oh, dangerous times for UST, Ian.
I know, FEU looking good as they are on top by 2.
Halong pagod na no?
Mia! Una ko laging instruction sa mga blocker Pag nagsiservice tayo, titignan mo kung over yung bola. At hindi lahat inaatake. Meron kakalabitin mo lang, bablakin mo lang. Pag libre ka, paluin mo. Pwede mo yung receivein. Gusto mo sikat ka eh. Ay, puntos. Ay, one good receive. Yung receive mo tayo manigas. Dinidelay nila. Wala.
There you go, Coach Oji. Ayan, alam niya, nakita niya, dinidelay talaga nung pinapabagal talaga ng FEU yung play. Kaya sabi niya, just relax. No, don't stiffen up. Huwag niyong madaliin.
And the small FEU crowd here, very boisterous right now, cheering their school. Panatikla. Agno couldn't handle that through the block. Maru Panatikla.
What a time for her to connect.
And what a kill.
Right through the block.
Let's look at it again. Deserves a second look inside. And Agno could not handle the pace.
Right, basic flaw there in the blocking of FEU.
21-22. Coverage was there. Panatikla sends it to the other side. That's a legal ball. C, quickly, Rojas. And that's out.
That's no touch there.
Up. And Coach Mamon says, wait a minute. But the referee says there's a touch. 23-21. We have to look at that again, Ian. Maybe not the best angle, but let's look at it anyway.
I think so. So
fingertips. That's close to our,
yeah, of course.
our umpire.
He has the best view.
Caballejo, full force.
Ooh.
Full force.
Nalusutan yung block.
That is strength coming from your legs.
Yes, that's
Ian.
right. That's right.
You see how she, you see,
Layo.
look at that. Just that jump. Amazing athletes, these girls.
These are pressure-packed serves for Hitotsuji.
When your shoulders start to tighten, Ian.
That's a good serve.
22-23. That's the call. It's in.
It's inside.
And we
Eulalia.
are at match point. 24-22. FEU is trying to do what USD did to Ateneo. Lose set number 1 and win the last 3 sets.
And the crowd of FEU, tama nga, mas konti sila. But now,
Ingay.
nanahimik tong mas maraming UST crowd.
It ain't over yet. But the pressure is on. No room for mistakes for USD. Panatikla puts it away! Woo! You talk about a pressure-packed attack. Tibay.
Tibay ng atake. At saka ano yun, holding back.
Wala.
Kung paano siya pumalo, yun at yun pa rin.
But she's in the back row now. So let's see what happens. Oh! And FEU! Coach Shaq de los Santos. Coach Ness. Pagod na, hindi na maka-celebrate si Coach Ness. And the girls from FEU have exacted revenge on their first round loss to UST.
And the girls of FEU, if you look at them, it's like they won the championship already.
And why not, Ian?
Oh, it felt good, huh?
Not only were they behind in set number 1, remember, in set number 3, they were behind 5 points.
That's right.
So just imagine the satisfaction of these very young girls. And look at that. Let's look at the play again. Ito na yung pinaka-veterano sa kanila dyan. Gwyneth Eulalia.
That's right.
Giving them a 25-23 win. Again, come from behind in this set.
Talagang they made the late run and USD was in control majority of that 4th set until when the crucial time came. FEU showing that they can gut it out to win it in 4th. Sinabi natin, boom, if this reaches 5 sets, alanganin ang magiging panalo lagay nitong FEU. And they knew that they really needed to win it in 4. Exactly what they did. And kita natin, the veterans, sabi mo nga, young veterans, Eulalio, Vargas, and of course, the woman in charge, Giselle C, to control that 4th.
What an emotional win for FEU. Before we just wrap it up, let's give you our Sports House play of the game. Get up to 60% off on select equipment on Sports House Red Carpet Deal.
That's right. This was a good save from FEU, and the play Eulalio, she had a lot of these running spikes. this one very crucial.
Oh.
Turnaround
That's
here
it.
in this fifth set. Eulalia again with that running spike. Is our Sports House play of the game.
She's so tired. She didn't even like celebrate it the way you think they would. At match point, she just relieved that they win.
That's right.
Great performances for her, for Bagang, for Gallego, coming off Agno, and of course Giselle C. But our best player of this match is with Erica Liboro, and that's Rose Vargas.
Boom, yes, I'm with Rose Vargas. Rose, congratulations. Sobrang ganda ng laban. But your team fought till the end. Now, what was going through your head nung humahabol ng UST?
Wala. At sabi lang po naman sa amin ni Coach, mag-focus lang po kami sa game. Huwag namin pakialaman yung mga tao sa labas. Just focus lang po. Yun lang.
Ano yung personal contribution nyo kaya kayo nanalo today?
Siguro po yung lahat po ng tinuro nila Coach na i-apply po namin bawat isa. Kaya siguro po nanalo po kami ngayon. Tapos tsaka nakinig po kami kay Coach.
Right, Rose? Meron ka bang gusto mga batiin?
Apo. Hi po sa mama ko, Mama Olive, kay Papa Job, kay Bibing, Ate Sha, and Jay. Siyempre, Adi, tapos Kalafen, sa mga friends ko sa Olonga po. Sa mga supporters ng FEU, hello po.
Alright, thank you very much, Rose. Now back to you, Boom and Ian.
Best player from Olongapo High School in Zambales, Olongapo City, Rose Vargas. Kung hindi ka ba naman makinig kay Coach Nes Pamilar?
I always thought it was a
Matakot
given.
ka na.
I always thought it was a given that you should listen there. But obviously, Rose has a different point of view.
The games on Wednesday. Opo, hindi pa to ang huling laro dito. It felt like it, but no. There are more games to play in the second round. And UP will have to bear the brunt of a wounded Tiger on Wednesday here at the arena in San Juan. And the Lady Eagles will go up against the UE Lady Warriors in the second game of our Wednesday doubleheader, all live, all exclusively on Studio 23, courtesy of ABS-CBN Sports.